Hello, people. Let's talk about what 15,000 naira can help you get in your skincare kit in today's Nigerian economy. And we are also going to talk about if these products are going to be effective to give you a glowing, radiant, and healthy skin. So come with me, let's do this. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here again. In today's video, I'm going to talk about affordable 15k budget skincare routine for glowing skin. In this video, I will talk about face care products and body care products and how to prioritize your skincare product. So for face care, the first product you need to get is a face wash or a face cleanser. You need a product that is affordable and very effective. Since you're on a tight budget, you need a very effective yet cheap face wash. So I'm going to recommend this Joy Black soap for you. This Joy Black soap contains aloe vera and shea butter. This is a Joy Black soap with shea butter and aloe vera. This Joy Black soap contains pure and natural ingredients that will moisturize, repair, and restore your skin. I have made a review on this soap. I have talked about this soap for a very long time now. I have a lot of videos where I talked about how effective this soap is. This soap can be used on the face and on the body. This soap is really good if you're on a tight budget. I highly recommend that you get this Joy Black soap. Now, why am I saying you should get this Joy Black soap over every other soap out there? This Joy Black soap firstly contains pure and natural ingredients such as shea butter. It also contains aloe vera. These are powerful skin loving ingredients that will moisturize your skin, that will help plump your skin. They will also help with skin rejuvenation. This ingredient will help to revive your dull skin. If you have dry skin, you should also use this because the shea butter in this and the aloe vera will help to hydrate you. The shea butter will moisturize your skin. So this is a very, very good product that you should use. It goes for 750 naira. This is a very good soap that you can use both on the face and even on your body. It will give you a radiant, healthy, and revived skin. This Joy Black soap is a soap that you should go for. Do not ignore this soap. Now, there is something I would like to state real quick. This soap has a really rough texture, so do not use it on your skin directly. I would advise that you wet the soap, rub it on your palms, then use your palm to gently massage your face. This should help you to remove dirt and impurities from your skin. It will also help to remove excess oil from your skin. It will open up your pores. Go for this Joy Black soap and you will not regret it. It is a very good soap that you should go for. After using this Joy Black soap to wash your face, the next item that you will need is a face serum. Face serums are really important. They help to plump your skin, provide hydration, and the face serum that I will recommend that is effective and also budget friendly. Like, it is one of the best and effective face serum out there. It is the Dr. Rashel face serum. This Dr. Rashel face serum contains 3.0 ethyl ascorbic acid, and it also contains sodium hyalurate. So these are very powerful ingredients that are contained in Dr. Rashel serum that will help to brighten your skin and also boost the production of collagen. So if you're on a tight budget and you're wondering what to buy to give your skin that boost, that collagen boost, you're wondering what to get that will help brighten your skin, giving you a youthful and healthy skin, go for the Dr. Rashel vitamin C serum. This serum contains a lot of skin loving ingredients that will help to plump your skin. Go for it. It is sold for just 3,500 naira. After this serum, the next thing that you need is a moisturizer. You see that you're on a budget. You need to prioritize your skincare routine. You don't need to go and get toners or essence and stuff, treatment and products. No, since you're on a tight budget, you just need few effective and important skincare product. So the next important skincare product that you need is a moisturizer. So I will also advise that you go for the Dr. Rashel moisturizer. I am going to also leave a photo of it here. This Dr. Rashel moisturizer also contains almost the same ingredient as the Dr. Rashel serum, just that this one contains moisturizing ingredients. So go for these face moisturizer, and these will take us to the most important product of all, your sunscreen. Your sunscreen is very, very important, because without your sunscreen, these other products, the serum, the moisturizer, and whatever you applied on your skin is not going to work. It won't be effective. So you need a sunscreen, the sunscreen that is also very effective and budget friendly is the Estelene sunscreen. I'm going to leave a photo of it on the screen. This Estelene sunscreen goes for 4,500 naira. This sunscreen is very, very good. It has anti-aging ingredients. If you're using this sunscreen, it will fade away fine lines and wrinkle on your skin. It will give you a plump and healthy skin. It will revive your skin from environmental pollutant. So this sunscreen is really, really important. And apart from the other beautiful things that this sunscreen will do to you, it will most importantly protect you from the UV rays from the sun. It's really, really important, no matter what you're doing, no matter the budget that you are in, that you should get a sunscreen. Your sunscreen is a non-negotiable. So that is that for your face care. And for your body care, since you already have your Joy Black soap, I will not recommend any other products for you again, because this Joy Black soap is a 2-in-1. You can use it for your face and also for your body. It is really, really good. As a matter of fact, this morning before making this video, it is Joy Black soap that I used, and my skin is popping. My skin is popping. Like when you consistently use this Joy Black soap, people will stop you on the way and ask you, babe, what soap are you using? And when I tell them Joy Black soap, I see the surprise on their face. Go get this Joy Black soap. Cut it into two. The one that you're using on your face should be different from the one that you're using on your body. So use your Joy Black soap on your body. I'm not going to recommend any other soap. Remember, your Joy Black soap is sold for 750 naira. You can use this soap both on your face and on your body. Then a budget-friendly body lotion that I will recommend is the Nivea Radiant and Beauty body lotion. This is the best bet for you if you're on a tight budget. This Nivea Radiant and Beauty body lotion is what you need. This body lotion will deeply moisturize your skin. It will hydrate you. It will give you a very beautiful and radiant skin. It will tone your complexion. This body lotion is not going to bleach you. It is not going to give you a shade lighter or darker. It will just maintain your complexion. This body lotion goes for 4,500 naira. It is a very good body lotion that I will recommend for anybody at any time, because I know that the body lotion is 100. Like Nivea did a thing in this body lotion. This body lotion will give you a visible result within few months of using it. You just notice that your skin is popping, and people are asking you what you're using. I would advise you to go get this product. These are very simple, affordable, yet effective products that you can use if you are on a 15,000 naira budget to achieve a glowing skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like, and do have a fantastic time. Bye.